Meaning of fencer.
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 Fencer. A fencer is a person who practices the sport of fencing, which involves two competitors using swords to score points. Fencing has roots in ancient European sword fighting and is now a modern Olympic sport. Fencers can compete in various forms of the sport, including foil, saber, and épée. The objective of fencing is to touch one's opponent with the tip of their weapon while avoiding being touched themselves. Fencers require a combination of physical agility, strategic thinking, and mental clarity to succeed in this fast-paced and exciting sport.